Good morning, sir. Our title is Health Monitoring System using Embedded System with IoT Implementation. Abstract. Nowadays, healthcare has become technology oriented. Humans are facing many problems, unexpected death due to the lack of medical care at right time. Therefore, there is a need to develop body health monitoring system in a proposed system. A patient will be carrying hardware having a sensor and Android phone application. Outlines introduction, main objective, literature review, hardware and software tools, block diagram, working of the system, circuit diagram, advantage, application, future scopes, conclusion, references. Introduction. The healthcare is a vast area requiring continuous monitoring, continuous measurement of a patient parameters such as heart rate and rhythm, respiratory rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen saturation, and many other parameters have become a common feature utilized in a major healthcare systems. Main objective: the specialist at a distance can monitor the patient condition so that she can save the life. The systems is to be available at responsible prices. Embedded technology is to be used for monitoring the patient condition easy to operate. Hardware and software tools. Microcontroller. We are using microcontroller, Arduino, LCD display, heartbeat sensor and temperature sensor. Block diagram, transformer, rectifier, regulator. We are used here microcontroller placed in the Arduino and over the GSM module. The SIM module is using. The SIM module is the fixed the one code and it will be sent to the patient condition to the doctor. Working of the system. There are mainly two parts of the system, one transmitter and other one is receiver. In the transmitter we have heartbeat sensor and temperature sensor. All the sensors are connected to the patient. The microcontroller monitors all the systems in the transmitter. If any abnormally in the patient condition, then it sends the signal to the receiver, will capture and the signal will work according to that. Advantages: bridging the gap between doctor and the patient, best to be used on rural areas. Compare with the compact sensors, it gives better performance. This device is easy to operate. The cost efficient of the device is low, easy to design and carry the device. Application: it can be used in ICUs, operation theaters for monitoring the health condition of the patients. It can also used in old age homes to monitor the various parameters of the sick persons. It can be used in our daily life to maintain healthy lifestyle. Futures called multiple parameters like blood pressure, retinal size, age, weight can be included and controlling parameters in the future. Conclusion: wireless technology is emerging a significant element of the next generation healthcare services. Portable and easy to use. Prevention is better than cure. Modern technology have developed the promotes a comfortable and better life in which can disease free.